Hey everybody, welcome back to another one of our monthly market updates for the Arizona real estate market. All right, everybody, I'm Katie Evans. I'm the owner and lead agent of the Living 48 real estate team here in Arizona, sunny Arizona. Welcome to our June of 2022 monthly market update video. We're going to try and keep this short and sweet for you, but we got a lot going on. So if you haven't noticed, over the last few weeks, we are experiencing a shift in the real estate market. Now, I got to be really honest with you guys. This is something we have been talking about happening, kind of hoping to have happen. But it always hurts a little bit when it does happen. So first of all, let's talk about what the numbers show. And then let's talk about what we're experiencing in the shift. And I'm going to give you some of my best ideas if you are looking to participate in the Arizona real estate market over the next year or so. Okay. All right. So let's dive right into the factoids. So from May to June, what we are experiencing is an uptick in supply. Now, mind you, from less than a month to just barely over a month is not substantial enough that the buyers who are still looking are really going to feel like, oh, we went from having nothing to look at to now we have everything in the world and we can find all kinds of wonderful options for ourselves. Okay. So that number has gone up, as has the inventory number. So those numbers kind of run hand in hand together. Our active days on market continues to go down, which speaks to the speed of the market. So any house pretty much that's listed active, all of everything has cleared out within about 43 days. So again, that speed still is very, very fast. And our close days on market still less than a month. All right. And that's maintaining very, very steady. With the lenders and all that kind of stuff, there's not a whole lot more they can do to speed up that process. So that number is holding steady. Now, our active price per square foot, this number is giving us a very interesting indication of what's happening out there in the marketplace. So our active price per square foot has gone down a little bit, down to $357.50 a square foot active, okay? However, our sold price per square foot continues to go up. And there's always a discrepancy between those two numbers. All right. But when we start to see those active listing prices coming down a little bit, that means our sellers are also experiencing the shift in the market. So sold price per square foot, still nothing to sneeze at, $303 a square foot. All right. Our average sold, again, this is over the last 30 days, that number has come down just a little bit to $591,361, and our median sell price here in Arizona over the last 30 days went up $475,000. Okay. Now, average sold over the last 12 months was $532,889, and our median price of homes sold over the last 12 months was $429,000. Now, you may care about what your appreciation is over the last 30 days or 12 months. Both of those numbers are in red. Why? Is it because the price of your house is going down? Is the value of your home going down? No, that's not what that says at all. What these numbers are saying to us, all of these numbers, guys, is that it's just slowing down. The appreciation values are slowing down. Hallelujah. Thank everybody. Okay. We need those numbers to slow down. You cannot continue to see our home values appreciate in such a fast manner and avoid a bubble. And we are avoiding a bubble. So we are not in a bubble, and we are hoping not to go to a bubble. Okay. So let's talk about the shift in the market. Let's talk about what has just happened or what is happening right now and what some of these numbers mean to the buyers, to the sellers, and to you as a homeowner. Okay. So first of all, we just had interest rates go up substantially. All right. So that made all of our buyers, especially our first-time home buyers, our lower price point buyers, those who were barely qualifying buyers, They either just got priced out of the market or they tapped the brakes because they were nervous about what was happening in the market. All right. So buyer activity has slowed. Now, what does that mean for the sellers? Sellers, that means particularly if you live in a very hot market, then instead of getting 33 offers on a house, you're going to get 3. You're going to have to probably make some concessions. You're probably going to have to do some repairs. And ladies and gentlemen, we are now past the market where you can put willy-nilly any old property on the house and it'll sell, regardless of condition, regardless of whether or not you prepared it to go to market or anything else. It's gonna matter now, okay? We are moving towards a more balanced market. So sellers, it affects you. Buyers, it affects you. All right? So make sure whatever you are doing right now that you have an experienced agent working for you. It matters right now, okay? So that's what's happening to the buyers and to the sellers. Another thing that is affecting the market, we're seeing cost of everything skyrocket. So as our buyers are looking at what does my monthly budget look like now, that's another reason that they're tapping on the brakes. All right. So because interest rates have gone up, because cost of living is going up, because all these things are in flux right now, the market is having a shift. It is tapping the brakes. Now, that doesn't mean that your home values are going to slam on the brakes and stop, or even B, throw the car into reverse and go in the opposite direction. That's not what is happening here. What is happening here is the speed of the market is taking a pause, and the number of buyers, which was that overwhelming buyer demand, has loosened just a little bit. All right, those are the key factors right now in the Arizona real estate market. So here is my advice. Sellers, if you have been considering selling your house, it's not going to take another like dramatic jump up. Go ahead and list it. If you've been waiting for something to happen, for the interest rates to go back down, don't wait. If you were considering selling your house, it's a great time to sell your house. It is still a very strong seller's market. There's still a lot of demand here in Arizona, and your values are not really going to take a huge leap one direction or the other direction right now. They will continue to steadily appreciate, but just not at the rate that we have been experiencing over the past couple years. All right, still a great time to sell. Buyers, if you can still qualify, if you are still comfortable with that monthly payment, this is an excellent opportunity for you. While everybody else is running scared, you're going to have less competition. So it's kind of one of those interesting things. If you ever watch like when the stock market tanks or when those kind of things happen, there are opportunities in every single market. And so for the buyers right now, the opportunity is this. Yes, the interest rates are up a little bit, but over time, the values will continue to go up. So if you wait for the interest rates to come down and the values have still continued to go up, which they are going to do because Arizona is still a high demand real estate market, it's a wash. It's a total wash. All right. And so you're not going to get a better deal. You're not going to get a better payment. You're not going to get a better anything. It's an opportunity cost. All right. So consider if you are still feeling comfortable, if you still can purchase in this market, you're going to have less competition. And that is your opportunity right now. So that's what I want you to consider, both on the seller's end and on the buyer's end. You guys, we're still in a healthy market. We're still an appreciating market. It feels yucky because it's change and nobody likes change. All right. That is the challenge of the market right now, but that's what a shift is. So again, that is our market update, you guys. I am here. My team is here. We want to be a resource to you. We want to help you navigate this and answer any real estate related questions that you your friends, your family, your coworkers, anybody that you have a connection with have. So please, please consider utilizing us with all of your real estate needs, with all of your real estate questions. Again, who you're working with right now really, really matters. So I just want to thank you guys for supporting our team, for watching this video, and we will see you on our next market update. Bye.